Hey everyone, welcome to your own YouTube channel at Freelancing Jobs, 71,588 for Binance Learn and Earn and freelancing jobs worldwide. Hope you have started your journey to cryptocurrency by creating a free wallet and account on Binance and must have started exploring. Check our latest YouTube channel video about how to work with Binance Square. Right to Earn Rewards affiliate program. If you have missed it, check the video links in description of this video. Today I am here to address two commonly found comments on each of our latest videos. 1. A comment giving disclosure of his seed phrase wallet. 2. A related question on how to transfer funds from SafePal to Binance Wallet. Strange, but I wonder why would someone try to disclose their wallet seed phrase in comment section, which is but very confidential information and nobody should ever share it publicly. Let me be clear. For help, we don't need your seed phrase wallet, and no one from our team will ever ask for it. To keep our community safe, please don't post your seed phrase wallet details and keep it very safe and confidential. This video will cover why it's risky and what you should do instead. Stay smart and secure in your journey to cryptocurrency. Picture this. Your wallet is a treasure chest filled with your valuable possessions. It's brimming with gold coins, sparkling jewelry, and other priceless items that you hold dear. Now imagine having a single key that can unlock this chest. This key is the only way to access all those treasures. In the world of cryptocurrency, that key is your seed phrase. It's a unique set of words that acts as the gateway to your digital wealth. It's a set of words that grants you access to your digital assets. Without it, you can't retrieve your funds. Just like you wouldn't share the key to your treasure chest, you should never share your seed phrase with anyone. Keeping it secret is crucial. This phrase is the master key to your crypto kingdom. It unlocks the door to your financial future. Anyone who has it has complete control over your funds. They can access, transfer, and even steal your assets. Think of your seed phrase as the most valuable piece of information in your crypto journey. It's your lifeline in the digital world. It's the key to your financial freedom in the digital age. With it, you can navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Protect it with your life. Store it securely and ensure it remains safe from prying eyes. Your seed phrase is designed to be known only by you and no one else. It's the backup to your digital wallet, allowing you to recover your funds if you lose access to your device. Legitimate platforms and services will never ask you for your seed phrase under any circumstances. If anyone asks for your seed phrase, it's a red flag. It's likely a scam attempt, so be cautious. Be wary of phishing emails, suspicious websites, and individuals claiming to help you recover your funds. Remember, your seed phrase is for your eyes only and no one else's. Keep it safe, keep it secret, and never ever share it with anyone. If you've accidentally shared your seed phrase, don't panic, but act fast. This is a critical moment, and your quick response can make all the difference. The first step is to move your funds to a new wallet immediately. This ensures that any potential threat is neutralized before it can cause harm. Create a new wallet that you haven't used before and transfer all your assets to this secure location. Make sure this new wallet is set up with a strong, unique seed phrase. Once you've transferred your funds, change any passwords that might have been compromised. This step is crucial to ensure that no one can access your accounts. This includes your email password, exchange account passwords, and any other passwords you might have stored online. Consider enabling multi-factor authentication for added security. Remember, speed is key in this situation. The faster you act, the better your chances of securing your assets. The longer you wait, the higher the risk of your funds being stolen. Time is of the essence. Act swiftly and decisively to protect your crypto assets. Your prompt action can safeguard your investments and give you peace of mind. There was one more comment about how to transfer funds from SafePal to Binance Wallet, and here's the response. Let's say you want to move your USDT from your SafePal wallet to your Binance account without compromising your seed phrase. This process might seem daunting at first, but with a few simple steps, you can ensure a smooth and secure transfer. Here's how you can do it securely. First, open your Binance account. You can do this either on your smartphone app or through the Binance website on your computer. Log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Next, select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Find USDT in your list of available cryptocurrencies and click on Deposit. This will generate a unique deposit address for your USDT. Then choose the correct network. Binance supports multiple networks, so make sure you select the one that matches your SafePal wallet. Make sure you select the same network, for example, ERC20, TRC20, BEP20, on both your Binance and SafePal accounts to avoid any transfer issues. This step is crucial to ensure your funds are transferred correctly. After that, copy your Binance USDT address. This address is unique to your account and will be used to receive the USDT. This is the unique address where you'll be sending your USDT from your SafePal wallet. Make sure to copy it accurately. Now open your SafePal wallet. Ensure you are logged in and have access to your USDT balance. Log into your SafePal wallet and select the USDT you wish to transfer. This will take you to the transfer screen. Select Send and paste your Binance USDT address. Double-check the address to ensure there are no errors. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct. Finally, confirm the transaction. This step is vital to avoid any mistakes. Review all the details carefully and confirm the transfer. Ensure that all the information is accurate before proceeding. By following these simple steps, you can safely transfer your USDT without ever having to share your seed phrase. This method ensures that your funds are secure and your private information remains protected. Hope I was able to provide response to your comments related to USDT transfer query and comments, and you'll take care of your wallet securely. Thanks for watching until next time we meet. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep shining like the rising stars.